Hello students, in this our aim is to find the wavelength of the emitted photon. Okay, we will basically find the expression for the wavelength of emitted photon. Okay, here we have two different energy level. Electron is initially present in the higher level, okay, where the principal quantum number is Ni. I stands for initial and इस level में उसकी energy है EI. Now this electron will jump down and will release the photon जिसकी energy होती है h nu, which is equals to hc by lambda, correct? And in the final level the quantum number is Nf and the energy is Ef. We had already studied how to get expression for energy. So the expression for energy is minus m e raised to 4 upon 8 epsilon naught square n square s square. तो initial level में हमने suffix use किया है ei and the principal quantum number is Ni. In the final level I'll write this as Ef and here I'll write it as Nf. Now according to the Bohr's third postulate we know delta E is equals to Ei minus Ef. Okay, तो if I substitute here I'll write Ni and here I'll write Nf. अब देखिए ये माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा प्लस, and what we can pull common from here, we can pull m e raised to 4 over 8 epsilon naught square h square. So inside the bracket minus minus plus, so plus 1 over nf square minus 1 over ni square. Is this clear for you all? Okay, now what we have in the left hand side, delta E, but ये delta E किसके बराबर है? hc over lambda. So hence we can write hc over lambda is equals to m e raised to 4 over 8 epsilon naught square h square into 1 over nf square minus 1 over ni square. Is this clear? अब h and c को आप यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करो तो you will have 1 over lambda is equals to m e raised to 4 over 8 epsilon naught square h square into h will gives you h cube multiplied by c. Inside the bracket we will have 1 over nf square minus 1 over ni square. Is this clear? Okay, now if you see carefully इस bracket में जितने भी terms है, mass of an electron, charge of an electron, Planck's constant, the speed of light and permittivity, all are constant. So let us replace the whole bracket by a new constant and I'll call this new constant as r suffix h into 1 over nf square minus 1 over ni square. Is this clear everyone? Now what this RH stands for? This RH is known as Rydberg's constant, and if it is a constant there must be some constant value and the value is 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7. इसका यूनिट क्या होगा? देखिए नंबर्स यूनिटलेस है तो RH का फॉर्म बना 1 over lambda means 1 over meter, or we can write this as meter inverse. Is this clear for you all? Okay, so this is how we can find the wavelength of the photon which is emitted during the transition of an electron from one energy level to the second energy level. Now based on this energy transitions or the transition of an electron, there are 5 spectral lines, namely Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, bracket and the Pfund. Okay, so that we will discuss in the next segment, but remember that 1 over lambda is given as RH into 1 over nf square minus 1 over ni square. One more point to be noted, that this 1 over lambda can be replaced by nu bar. Now students, tell me what this nu bar is. This nu bar is known as a wave number. So problem में अगर आपसे wave number calculate करने कहा जाता है, you can directly use this formula, and if they ask you to calculate a specific wavelength तो remember this is the formula for 1 over lambda. तो जो भी आंसर आएगा उसका हमें रेसिप्रोकल लेना होगा to get the answer for lambda. Is this clear? Thank you.